In this video, we're going to learn how to link your Tokyo Disneyland tickets to the Tokyo Disneyland app. Go to the App Store and search for the Tokyo Disney app. Select Tokyo Disney Resort app and download it. Once you've downloaded the app, tap on it to open. Select the Tokyo Disney theme park that you're attending. We'll be going to Disneyland today. If you don't see the menu, simply swipe up and pull it up. Select Scan Ticket and then agree and proceed to log in. You'll need to log in with your Disney account, or if you don't have one, it will prompt you to create a Disney account. I already have a Disney account, so I'm going to log in. Now I'm selecting Scan Ticket. You'll need to give the Disney Resort access to your camera. To scan your ticket onto your phone, you need to take a photo of your ticket on another device and then scan the photo. And now my ticket is on my Tokyo Disney app. Now I'll be able to order premiere tickets and 40th anniversary priority tickets, all on the app.